There are quite a few smart ring brands on the market, but this one seems to be doing things a little differently. This is the Luna Ring Gen 2, and today let's unbox it and take a closer look. Before unboxing the main package, I also got the sizing kit. And this is actually really important, because with something like a smart ring, the fit matters a lot. You can try different sizes and figure out what works best for you before using the actual ring. So yeah, definitely don't skip this part. And big thanks to the Luna team for sending this out for review. Alright, now let's get to the main package. First impression, the box looks really clean. Nothing too fancy, but it definitely gives that premium vibe. Let's open it up. Okay, so right on top accessories, we've got the user manual and a braided Type-C cable. And yeah, this actually feels really high quality. Now underneath that, we've got the charging case called Surge Charger, with the ring sitting inside it. And just look at this for a second. The charging case itself is actually really well made. It's got this nice shiny finish, feels solid in the hand, and overall, it just feels premium all around. Finally, we have our Luna ring, and that's pretty much everything you get in the box. Simple, clean, no unnecessary stuff. Before I take it out, there's one thing about this ring I'm really curious about, so just stay till the end. Alright, let's take this out. There's also a small protective covering around the ring, so let me just peel that off. Now let's take a closer look. Honestly, this looks really nice. The finish is clean, very minimal, and it doesn't look like a typical tech product at all. It just looks like a normal ring, which I really like. This is lunar black color in size 9, and there are other colors available as well. When it comes to the weight, it's really light, like you can barely feel it in your hand, but at the same time it still feels solid and well built. From what I've seen, it's made from durable materials, so it should handle daily wear without any issues. Okay, first impression on comfort. This actually feels really natural. It's not bulky, not distracting. I feel like I could easily wear this all day, even while sleeping. And that's important, because this is something you're supposed to wear pretty much 24/7. Now in terms of what it can do, it tracks your sleep, stress levels, activity, and recovery, which is kind of crazy for something this small. It's also supposed to last a few days on a single charge, and it is water resistant, so you don't really have to take it off all the time. But of course the real question is how well it performs. And I'll test that properly in the full review, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's connect it to the app. Setup was pretty straightforward, and this is the app interface. First impression, it looks really clean. You've got your main stats like sleep, readiness, and activity right here, and everything seems easy to understand. And inside this Life OS section, there's something called Luna AI, which is basically a built-in AI that analyzes your health data and gives you insights based on it. What's interesting is, it's not just basic stats, you can actually interact with it. There's even a voice AI, so you can log your daily activities just by speaking to it, which is pretty cool. And this is also where this ring stands out. All of these features are available without any hidden modules or subscriptions. Everything is just there. You pay once, and that's it. And honestly, that's something we don't usually see with smart rings, so that already makes this a bit more interesting. So yeah, overall first impressions, it definitely feels premium, super lightweight, and very comfortable to wear. The app looks clean, and the whole no subscription thing is a big plus. Accuracy and real-world usage matter way more, so I'll be using the Luna ring for the next few weeks and really put it to the test. So subscribe and stay tuned for the full review, where I'll break down everything and let you know how good it actually is. And if you're interested in picking one up, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.